Fuck, man. Supreme always fucking with me. Check out now. On the app, it's letting me add a size 8. Processing payment. Did I get them? Some of the items are sold out. What a fucking piece of shit. Can't be sold out that quick, right? Deadass. This was horrible. Alright, so Supreme dropped the Air Force One, and I didn't get them. So, online at least. I got a spot to go in store later on today, and I'm going to try to get a pair there. Alright, until next time. See you at the store.
Hey, 33 years I gave that to the game. 33 mil, I say that for the rain. 500 weeks, I feel the charts with my pain. 500 mil and I fall back in the 6. Finally give you niggas the space you need to exist.
Yeah, I made it. Thursday, March 5th, Supreme Week 2, Spring Summer 2020. Got my Air Forces on deck. Today's hot drop is Air Force Ones. It's looking a little crazy in here. Thank God I was able to get my pairs. I'm a little bit late. I'm glad I was able to secure some. I'll show you guys what the drop looks like and give you a little taste of what the Supreme store looks like. I'm not really supposed to be recording, but I thought, you know, an experience like this, I should definitely get, you know, something. So happy I was able to get a pair. About to check out and let you guys take a look at them. So see you in a few. Peace. Alright, so got the pairs. Supreme, thank you for being so generous and so nice. I didn't have to wait 1 minute online. I literally got to the front of the door. Mind you, I'm 15 minutes late. Tell the security, hey, I have a reservation. Points me right to the stairs, right past a whole line of people who've been waiting there probably for hours. They go to the guy, he takes my number, and I go online. Someone helps me out immediately and gets me 2 pairs, 1 black, 1 white. So you were able to get 1 white, 1 black. They didn't have too many sizes. I want to try to get the smallest size possible, especially for my wife. I wanted to get a size 8, but I got a size 10.5 in a black pair, which I'll probably sell. I don't know. We'll see what the market, you know, does, but it looks pretty good right now. So we'll see. I definitely want to do some resale estimations and predictions. I don't think that these sneakers are going to be up for long when it comes to resale value. They're definitely going to go down since Supreme said that they're going to restock regularly. But enough with the talking. I want to show you guys what the pairs look like live right here. So I'm going to pull it out. Pause. Size 10.5. So, okay. All right, here we go. Black pair. All right, what do you think? These look pretty good. Nothing really special about them, but you know, I definitely think that anybody who wants a pair, who normally wears Air Force Ones, you know, to go to school, or but anybody who wants a pair will be able to get one because they said they're gonna restock regularly. And here's a piece of resistance. I'm gonna try to do a fit pick with this maybe later on, but that cocaine watt. Here we go, boys and girls. You got your little lace bag. I didn't show you the black one, but maybe I'll show it to you later. But here you go, ladies and gentlemen. For your eyes only. Supreme Air Force. Retail $96. Going for about $150 to $200. I'm so happy I was able to get lucky. So happy I was able to get a spot in store. All right, so I'm gonna head out because it's getting really noisy down here. See you later. Peace.